Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can download firmware of Android 10 for your Nokia 6.2. Guys, that's really easy and you can update your device to Android 10 easily. So the firmware is AOSP Android 10 JSI for Nokia 6.2. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. At first you have to check the description of this video. There you will find a link like this. Open it. I'm opening the link with my browser. Here you have to click on this I'm not a robot button. Ad will come and skip ad. Again click on I'm not a robot. Again skip the ad and again click on I'm not a robot. Skip the ad. Skip ad. Now click on this continue button. Click on this continue button and here you have to wait 10 seconds here and wait 10 seconds here. After 10 seconds you will get a link to download. Yes, now click on this get link. Skip the ad again. Get link again. Here you can see download and install AOSP Android 10 JSI for Nokia 6.2. Now you have to scroll down. Android 10 guys, what kind of change it will bring, you can see live caption, smart play replay, sound amplifier, new gesture navigation, dark theme, privacy control, location controls, faster security updates, focus mode, family link. So everything here you can see. Scroll down and there you will find downloads and you can see download Android 10 JSI for Nokia 6.2. Click on this download button. Here you can see it has started downloading. Here you can see it has started downloading guys. That's really fast. So after downloading this you have to install it to your device. So you can check the description to install 6.2 update Android 10 update manually. Check the description, there you will find a link how to update it manually. So guys, that's all. Enjoy your Android 10 update. So guys, if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of recent uploads. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us.